coffee. Porta il bavaglino al
Luca,
papi.
aici. Now you're coughing. Luca, are you coming here or what? Not backwards, forward. Well, wrong way. Turn, put the blinkers. Put the blinkers, come on. Come here. Oh yeah, good boy. Good job, Luca. Wow. You're almost, no, you're going the wrong way now. That's the kitchen.
Luca.
He's like, uh-oh.
Luca doveva... Ciao.
He saw his, whoop. Are you going out the door? Where are you going?
Luca, come back.
Yeah, he's going for the door handle. Hundefletch. Where are you going? Hundefletch. It's not how it opens. No, Luca, come on. Luca. Now he likes those things by the door. They're hanging on the... He's trying to reach them.